up, Familysteaders? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to preserve your peppers by dehydrating them and turning them into powder. First thing we're going to do is put on some gloves because, as you can see, today we're going to be handling some habanero peppers. And you do not, I repeat, you do not want to get any of this habanero juice on your skin, in your eyes, or forget that it's on your hands and rub somewhere else. Trust me, you don't want to do that. If you don't believe me, ask somebody. I'm pretty sure they'll tell you a crazy experience they had dealing with hot peppers without gloves. So first thing we're gonna do is make sure we put on our gloves. Safety first. So now it's time to cut the stem off our peppers, and we're gonna leave the seeds in ours because we want it to be spicy. Oh man, I wish you guys can smell how this smells right now. Delicious and spicy. And we're gonna cut this into 4 pieces, just like that. The colors. See all of this habanero juice? This is what you don't want to get on your skin, rubbing your eyes. You don't want this touching you at all. Okay, so now that we're finished chopping up all of our peppers and cutting all the stems off, now it's time to put them in the dehydrator. And I almost forgot, we're also dehydrating some onions today. And for our onions, we make these right here. Super easy to make these, and the reason we made these is because our onions are chopped so small that they will fall through these. Now it's time to start dehydrating. So as you can see, we're outside on our back porch now. This is a very important step when it comes to dehydrating spicy peppers. You don't want the whole house smelling like hot and spicy peppers. That'll have your eyes burning, it'll have your throat burning. Trust me, you don't want to go through that. So all we have to do now that we brought our dehydrator outside is plug it up. We don't have to set a temperature or nothing because this dehydrator, I don't know about every other brand, but this dehydrator automatically dehydrates at 165 Fahrenheit. There's not a temperature setting on this one. So as you can see, we got it plugged up. And all we have to do now is wait for 5 to 9 hours. As you can see, peppers. So don't worry if you're nervous about dehydrating your own food. It comes with a manual to make it easier. So you can see peppers say 5 to 9 hours. And now we have to find onions. Right there, 2 to 6 hours. So all we have to do now is wait for our habaneros and our onions to dry. Then the next step, NutriBullet. So if you don't want to dehydrate your harvest in the oven, this is the best way. Dehydrator. Trust me. So as you can see right there, it says, when drying strong smelling foods such as onions and garlic, be aware that there will be a strong odor during the drying process. That odor may linger after drying has been completed. So check it out, it's only been 2 hours and 20 minutes. And as you can see, peppers are already changing. See, they already look smaller. So it's almost been 4 hours, so let's check on the onions. Now we're gonna take these aside. Look like the onions ready. So after grinding up your habanero peppers, you want to watch out for the dust that's going to come up when you open this up. This habanero powder smells like the jalapeno Cheetos. So it took our habanero peppers 8 hours to dehydrate, and it took our onions 12 hours to dehydrate. We think it took our onions 12 hours because we had so many bunched up together. But if we would have had less onions and spreaded them out more, it definitely would have took less than 12 hours. And check this out, it's only been 7 days since our last harvest. And it's already time for another one. Welcome to Good Chicken, home of the Good Chicken. Can I take your order?